In this guide, we are going over how you can change your mouse sensitivity here in Resident Evil Requiem. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is, pause the game at any time, really, and then go ahead and go to the options. And once you're in your options, go ahead and find the camera settings just like so. Once you're in here, choose either Grace or Leon and confirm their camera perspective. And what this will do is open up individual, sensitivity sliders. So as you can see, if I select Grace's camera, right, and select it, you're going to see all of these camera speeds just like so. From here, you can adjust your horizontal sensitivity for smoother left and right turning, and of course, adjust your vertical sensitivity for faster or more controlled up and down aiming. Make sure you set these separately for each character. Grace obviously plays primarily in first person, while Leon uses third person, so they can feel a little bit different, unless of course you set them all to first person. And while you're in here as well, what you can also do is navigate over to the keyboard and mouse tab, which you could back out of here and go over to keyboard and mouse. And you can also reduce camera wobble to 0 as well if you don't want any, camera wobble and you want cleaner and more stable aim. Apply your changes, go ahead and test everything in a safe room and fine tune until it feels more natural. Once it's dialed in, headshots are going to feel so much easier. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.